In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a timeline on your Wix website. Whether you're showcasing your brand history or mapping out a project schedule, creating a timeline can make the journey engaging and informative for your audience. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to head on over to the Wix website. Simply open your browser and type in www.wix. Once there, you'll find the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that and enter your login credentials to access your account. Once you're in, select the website you want to edit from your dashboard and click on it to open it up. Now we're going to dive into the Wix editor, which is your creative playground. From your dashboard, you'll see an option labeled Edit Site. Click that, and the Wix editor will open up, presenting you with a suite of tools to add elements and features to your page. To add a timeline, you have a couple of options. If you prefer a hands-on approach, you can start with the Wix Pro Gallery or a simple strip. On the left-hand panel of your editor, click the Add button and navigate through Strip to select Blank Strip. Once you have your blank canvas, add a series of boxes or columns to represent the points on your timeline. In each box, add text and images that highlight important milestones or events. You can use lines or arrows to connect these points, visually demonstrating the progression of time or events. Alternatively, if you want a more guided setup, head over to the Wix App Market. Again, click on Add in the left menu, then select App Market and search for Timeline. You'll find some great apps like Timeline Maker, Event Timeline, or Tiki Toki Timeline. Click Add to Site on the application of your choice, and a configuration menu will pop up. Here you can input your events, dates, and descriptions. Make sure to customize the colors, fonts, and layout to align with your site's aesthetics. You might also want to adjust scrolling or animation options for that extra flair. Once your timeline is set up, it's time to fine-tune the design. Edit each timeline point by adding event titles, dates, descriptions, and any relevant images or icons. Ensure the colors, fonts, and spacing match your site's overall style to achieve a harmonious look and feel. With everything customized, it's crucial to preview your work. Click the preview button to see how your timeline looks and functions from a visitor's perspective. Check that all events are readable and that the flow of the timeline makes sense. When you're satisfied with how it all comes together, it's time to make it official. Finally, hit the publish button.